Hi, in this video we are going to discuss on Forex. So this is one of the circulation what FIO, the Export Promotional Council, has shared to the business owner. So he just wanted to check with me like, okay, sir, these guys are asking me money. So is there any ways to get it checked for free? Okay, so I'll help you out to how to get these things free. Okay, so they're going to send you a daily update, a yearly update, reports, and some other stuff, which is probabilities that you're going to use it on day-to-day life is going to be very minimal. But yeah, will these guys, whatever they send, is going to be final? No, probably not, because you need to check with your bank too. So when bank is buying rate, bank buying rate, and bank selling rate. So when you're doing your TD transfers, when a bank buys from you, it will buy the dollar at 83.95, and when the bank is going to sell you the USDs, then it's going to be like 87.49 rupees per dollar. So that is how you going to get the prices for all the currencies. So based on this, you need to put your prices and then send it to across to the client. So when when are you going to buy the dollars? When you want to make the payment to someone, then you're going to buy the dollars. So at what rate you buy? It's around this price. You cannot go to something like, okay, I'll show you other websites. So this is trading economy. So if you go here, I'll just refresh it. Yeah. So the dollar price is around 86.16. So comparative to your currency, it's 87. Here it's 83. Nowhere 86 is being seen. One, the prices is 1 day old, and along with that, these numbers are specifically because see, bank is not an NGO. It has to add some markup in everything. So this is all. I don't say it as non-negotiable. This is negotiable. You can check on based on a volume how much you're buying and all of it. They will give you a discount. They can match the current prices or something, or they can even go lower than the current prices. But you need to have that much of volume and confidence in the bank and how relation you carry over with the banks. So that is there. This is a telegraphic transfer. Okay, when it comes to currency notes, if you're buying physical notes in currency, like if you're traveling to abroad, then you want that currencies in hand. So then that is the prices are completely different. And if you are back from the trip and you want to sell it back to the bank, then bank is going to buy at a very different price. So buying price, selling price of the bank is going to be always higher than the buying price of the bank. Difference is the bank's profit. Simple as that. Okay. So trade card, travel card, if you want, then your traveler's checks or something. That's something which is not related to export business, but TT is one that we deal in. So TT, when bank buys, it's going to buy at 83.95. So that is where your inward remittance comes in. When you got your payments in USDs, that is what you're going to sell to the bank, and then at what rate the bank is going to buy, that is something which is specified here. When you want to export, when you want to buy something, when you are importing something and you want to make the payment to the other party in United States or anywhere in the world, if you want to make the payment in USDs, then your buying rate is 87.49. Please confirm these rates with the bank on time to time basis, only then proceed with the currencies like getting into trade. Okay, so this is with all the other currencies, it's all going to be the same. Okay, so there is one more website which you can check, which is TradeView, which is normally used by traders and this stock investors, so forex investors. So you can check even here. So what's the prices are been fluctuating, what's the prices are moving up and down, and they were talking about some kind of a charts. So that chart is available here. So I'll just take it from here. Take a squeeze. Okay, so the chart, what FIO was promising, that they are going to provide some kind of a chart or like a flow chart or something. It could be different. I'm not saying that it's exactly the same. They're going to provide like 6 months trade chart. So that is something which you can get it for free here. So that also you can do it for more than a very long time. I just need to check. Just give me a minute. Full chart. And then I'll go here by day to months. Yeah, I'll do it months, 3 months. Okay, so from 1973 I got all the chart. So it's not just like FIO is promising us for 6 months data, but that is something more we can say it on TradeView kind of a chart. So you can just really look into the numbers, what is exactly the rates are moving in. So you can see this, okay, 86.14. Where do everyone gets the rates from? It's obviously from the stock markets, the Forex markets, right? When it comes to currencies, stock market is for stocks, Forex market is for currencies. Okay, you can change the currencies and see what all the currencies you want to compare. You can compare all the thing and then you will get the prices. Okay, so these are all the same stuff. So here, when it comes to custom house, so will my incentives will be calculated on the same? See, getting trading with your client is different, and getting trading with your official bodies are completely different. So again, coming back, so click on exchange rate here on the, go to the customs on this website, then go to customs and then click on exchange rates, right? So when it comes to exchange rate, you can check this, just enter what currency you are looking for, what date, and then you give this. Many times it takes unnecessary error, but look for it. Okay. Yeah. So many times it shows you have entered it correctly. Don't doubt yourself, but sometimes the system works creepy. Okay. So look at the pricing. So it's at USD, the UAE dirham, and officially these are the currencies that you can deal in international trade. This is official trades, okay? So it's not like you have to do a deal every time with USDs. You can deal in any other currencies if you want to, okay? These are all easily liquidable currencies that you can work with, okay? Then import rate, when you're importing something, if they want to calculate the import duty, so they are going to use this currency. So what is the currency here? It's 86.6. So your import duty is calculated on here, okay? So what is this rate of export? So when you're going to get an incentive, when you are exporting something and you want to get some incentives, so what is the dollar rate they're going to? One, when you're importing, you are calculated the import duty on CIF value. When you're exporting, the incentives are calculated on FOB value. That will be obviously lesser. Then they are going to convert the incentive on this dollar, this pricing. What is the overall trade that you're doing that on based on this date? So this is from IceGate. If you have a login, you can do the same calculations right there. And these are pretty good stuff to work it around, okay? So these are pretty good websites to help you with to understand. So you need to use custom or Ministry of Finance is only when you're working on incentives or custom duty. What is the date, what is the duty price they are going to calculate? That is something there. And almost even the custom house people will also give you the rate charts. So that also you can check. Basically, you can just search for here. They have notifications taken out here and there before. Nowadays, they have stopped. The last update I can see like it's in something a very old days. Before and all, they had something like this. We were been referring to these things. Okay. So they have been given this dates, and then this is what from this date to this date, this prices will be stagnant. So it was here, right? So now the things have changed. So they are using the dashboard. So you can just go here, click on exchange rates, and then you refer to the dashboard itself. Okay, it's online service. You can click here. Custom duty calculator is here. Exchange rate is here. So you can just go and click on exchange rate, enter this, and please select all. There is no other options also anyway. So it's going to be simple that way. Okay. So overall, FIO, if someone is offering the EPC support, if you want it, you can pay this much money, go ahead and pay. If not, then these are all the websites where we can check the pricings, the charts, and every other thing. And if you want your custom house to give you official rates, then use this tool. This will give you a complete picture of your currencies. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. Stay connected, and if you want to learn more about export import business, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be updating every new video every day. See you there. Catch up. Bye bye.